Here comes the 734, 737-400 with Turkey taking off. Oh crap. Went out of focus. Oh dang it. There's United that for some reason came from San Bernardino and circled for like 30 minutes. 40 minutes, like half an hour. I forgot to mention that there's a Air China 787 and they started their operations again. There's a 734. Hopefully it taxis off like at least like right there. In the spot where I can see it, but it's gonna take off at like 8, so yeah, it doesn't really matter. And the sun is setting really fast because DHL took off like 30 minutes. Oh yes. Air China 787 is taking off. Yes. Hopefully it takes off on this side. And Mr. IRO just landed. I think that's Singapore up there.